everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Saving SuperMom. Today is Mom Life Monday, and what we like to do here on my channel is everything budget friendly related. So a lot of what comes with being a budgeter is trying to figure out how to feed a family on a budget without breaking the expenses because food is so expensive. And so every week I try to come every week with a video of me going grocery shopping and doing a grocery haul. I 98% of the time shop at Aldi. Once a month we go to Sam's Club. And then every once in a while, we will have to run up to Walmart or Kroger or Meijer. I do live in Michigan, so I do recognize that not everybody has those places. So I try to stick to Walmart and Aldi because I know a lot of states have those specifically. And then Sam's Club is a big bulk item store that a lot of places have as well. And if you don't have Sam's Club, there's BJ's Warehouse, there's Costco, there's a lot of big bulk store places that you can get bulk food items at. And yeah, so we like to come on here, set our budget for the week, and then I go over what is for dinner. So we create a menu for dinners, and then I take you along shopping with me, and then we end the video with a grocery haul. However, today is a little bit different because we were running around like chickens with our head cut off in the stores. Sam's Club is we did our monthly Sam's Club run, and it was so busy that I could not film whatsoever. And then Aldi was a very, very, very quick trip. The kids were being cuckoo crazy and just running around like mad. And so I was getting really stressed out and really overstimulated, so I did not get to film. So we're just going to go over what the menu is, and then I will just jump straight into our grocery haul. We do have a grocery haul for Sam's Club, Walmart, and for Aldi. So you'll get all three of those stores and what we bought for the week and for the month for Sam's Club. So for today, we are doing takeout with my mother-in-law. She is currently upstairs with my kiddos. Actually, I think they're outside, but she is with them right now. And then she told us that she wants to stay for dinner, and she is treating us to either takeout or we're going to go to a restaurant. It's whatever we want to do. I think we're just going to stay home and get some takeout, but I'm not really sure what we're going to do for that yet. But she is treating us, so that was not in the budget. Tomorrow on Tuesday, we plan on doing some pork chops. I found a new recipe that I wanted to try. It's from an account that I follow over on other socials, and so it's like got this like gravy, and we're gonna serve it with some green beans. I'm really excited because we are hopefully, if the green beans go well, we're gonna be using the green beans that we grew in our garden in our backyard. We are only getting like 3 green beans at a time, so every time I go out and harvest, I throw them in the freezer in a gallon-sized bag, and then once we have enough to create a full meal, then I will cook with those. But so far, it's not looking like we're going to be using our garden green beans. We might just have to use the can that we have in our pantry, which is totally fine. Wednesday, we are going to be doing something new. I am going to have this recipe down in the description. I do like to have a recipe of the week in the description below. This is a new for us. It's bourbon chicken over white rice. I did find it on Instagram, I believe. And so I will have their recipe copied and pasted down below. It's not something I created. I am super excited about it though. And because I am going on 3.5 years sober, we are not going to be doing bourbon, but it is the same concept. And in the video, he said that bourbon is expensive. And so he's going to be using his secret ingredient, which is apple juice. And so that's what we're going to be doing. So it ended up working out perfectly. And we're going to serve that over some white rice. And then on Thursday, we're going to do some steak and mashed potatoes and roasted carrots. Friday is going to be another new one for us. It is sheet pan chicken pitas with homemade herby ranch sauce was the recipe, but we're just going to use the ranch that we have in our fridge. But I will jazz up the dish a little bit with some fresh dill from my garden. And let's see. Saturday is, what are we doing Saturday? Oh, my husband has to work on Saturday. No, he doesn't. What are we doing Saturday? Oh, I have, my daughter has a play date that we have had planned literally since the end of school year because one of her bestie little friends moved away to, hours away, and so they said that they were going to be in town this one weekend, and so we told them that we want to plan something, and so we had something set up for a few months now, and we're really excited about that. And then also my dog is getting groomed because she is a hobo looking dog. So we wanted something just super easy because we won't be home at all. So we're doing tilapia that we have in our freezer and then some rice. And then on Sunday, we are going to be doing a bunch of reset, recharge, housework, all the things. And so I'm going to have taco lasagna in the crock pot. So that is the menu for the week. And we typically try to stay within what happens, like where I put it through the days, but we do flip-flop some days. This is just like a generic, like this is what we're doing for the week. If we want pork chops on Thursday instead of steak, then we'll flip-flop them, but just for the most part, this is our menu for the week. So I'm going to now cut you on over. We already went grocery shopping. I will also mention that our budget for let's see, I'll put it back here. Our budget for Sam's Club is $215, and that is for an entire month for Sam's. And then for Walmart and Aldi, our budget is $265. So we were able to stay under budget. I will try, I guess, spoil that, but we were able to stay under budget. We are super happy about that. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot you on over to the grocery haul. And thank you again so much for hanging out with me. And I hope you enjoy the haul. And if there's anything that you want to see for next week, I do already plan on having a video for next week. So let me know down in the comments below if there's something specific that you want to see, or if you have any questions, you can definitely put them down in the comments below as well. All right, so we are back. Walmart's total was $70.84. We got 2 new Mountain Dews to try. So my husband said he's tried this one before, but we've never had it here. So we got the Mountain Dew Baja Cabo Citrus. It's a tropical citrus punch. And then I saw they had the Dirty Mountain Dew Cream Soda Dew. So I'm really excited to try this one. This one is one I picked out. This one he picked out. We needed some more kids' toothpaste. I needed some hoisin sauce for a recipe that I'm going to be doing. We needed some taco seasoning. We wanted to stock up on our favorite rice pilaf, so we got 3 boxes of those. our favorite Red Bulls. This is my husband's favorite, is the, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. It's the yellow can. And then mine is the iced vanilla berry. He needed some more creamer, and then I needed creamer, so I chose this one. It's the brown sugar shaken espresso oat milk creamer. And then we needed some more mouthwash. So that was everything from Walmart. I'm going to put all this away, and then we'll do Sam's Club next. All right, so now we've got our Sam's Club. So our total at Sam's Club was $205.13. And so we got some pull-ups, we needed some baby wipes, we needed dryer sheets, and we got some chicken, and then we got Cheez-Its, our favorite queso, because I'm making a taco bake tonight. We got this fresh salsa to try. It looks so yummy. I'm super excited for that. My favorite spinach artichoke dip. We got the kiddos some Go-Gurt. We needed some more laundry soap, and we needed more coffee. And then we got some cinnamon rolls. We got some of this bacon, so it's 4 pounds of bacon. We plan on breaking it up into 1 pound packages and freezing those, so we'll have 4 different meals out of it, whether we want to do breakfast or if we want to do like BLTs or something. But this was perfect for that. And then the last thing that we needed was pork chops, so we got 2 packages of pork chops. This one pack of 6 was $7.06, and then this one was also $7.06. So we got 12 things of pork chops for about 15 bucks. So that's really cool. And that was everything we got from Sam's Club. So I'm going to put all of this away, and then we will do Aldi. All right, last one. So at Aldi, our total was $78.20. And we got 2 things of cucumbers, 2 bags of steamed broccoli, some taco style cheese. Y'all know about our cheese in the taco style. It's our favorite. We got some grapes and bananas, some whipped cream cheese, some blueberry bagels. My husband wanted to try this crab rangoon dip. If you guys try this, let me know how it is. He's really excited to try it. I am a little iffy. I love crab rangoons, but I don't know how I feel about the dip being cold. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like that. We got some mashed potatoes, my Snickers ice cream, my husband's M&M ice cream sandwiches. We needed some more hash browns. We needed some more milk. We got 4 things of lemonade because we go through that very fast in our house. I needed some apple juice for a recipe, so I just went ahead and got the bigger kind so our kids can have a little bit throughout the next couple of weeks. We needed some more rice. My daughter needed some more of these granola bars. So we got 2 boxes of those. We got 3 things of these cheese and crackers. We got some hot dogs, 2 things of the string cheese that my kiddos are obsessed with. And then we got some salt and vinegar chips. And then my husband got 2 bags of these pita chips for the crab rangoons. But we can also use these for the spinach and artichoke dip we got at Sam's Club. So that was everything that we got from Aldi. And I will put the totals again up here on the screen, and then I'll put the grand total. And we went over the budget in the plan with me. So we were under budget. I'm super, super excited about that. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.